made it to the top of Mount Washington. It's windy, it's cold, and the ride down is going to be very fun. What's up, little guy? Say hi, buddy!
Hi!
Let's go explore. Outside. Mount Washington, here's the clouds, 6,000 feet. Rest of the air. Very, very cold. Very, very cold. Alright, this is the top of Mount Washington. This is your observation. What's this? So we gotta cross the crosswalk right here.
Hold on there, folks.
Oops, sorry. That was recent. Disgusting. Alright, I made it to the summit. Sue and Henry almost. They're about, I don't know, 24 steps. Let's see if we're gonna do this. Let's see. It's a little chilly. There's some pictures. Go back to the car. Hopefully, pass next wall. Look at that view. It's a ski slopes over there. Our adventure continues at Storyland. Sidewalk, yeah. We're at Storyland. Susie has 2 landmines in her hand.
Awful.
High altitude makes you poop. I got Henry and the Henry Mobile. Hi! You say hi, buddy?
Yeah, I saw it.
In case you need coffee. Alright, we're in Storyland. Let's find some stories.
Let's find somewhere to
hang out. do you think, Bubba? First amusement park. Next to the barn? Cool. Let's go. We're on Henry's first ride. And it's Henrietta's tractor ride. Let's go, Mama. We're going for a ride, Mama. Henry's about to go on his first ride. Looks like it's a bunch of roosters on the farm. Henry! 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 Have fun! Henry! Hey, Henry! Henry! Hey, Henry! Henry! Hey, buddy! Did you have fun? We're on the search for some food because we're hungry. Oh. He's just looking around. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. He's having a good old time. Look both ways. Make sure there's no train. Choo choo. Choo choo. What up, goats? You know Nola?
You see the goats, Mom?
There's goats in there. I know. What other animals do they have in here? Let's see. Bye, goats. The 3 little pigs are just chilling in the shade. Henry, you see the piggies? There you go.
You see the pigs?
Oh, poor little piggies. They're so cute. You should get a pet pig. No? Is Eric enough?
Yes.
Hey, ducks. Hanging out in the amusement park. Do you see those ducks? Can't find me, I'm resting in my house. There you are. Hanging out.
There's another one over there in the corner.
Aww. Those are the ones they've caught outside my work every day. Why is that going have so much fur? No idea. Hey, buddy. Well, so I think we got some chickens over there. There's some chickens. Some roosters. I heard some roosters outside of a house yesterday morning. Those people are getting a driver's license. And Henry's getting his driver's license. Smile.
Whenever you're ready, we'll have her take a seat right there on the bench.
Can you sit right there?
Henry. Hey, Henry.
Hi, Henry.
Look up.
Hi,
Look at
Henry.
that. Can you smile?
Hi, Henry. Henry.
Look over there.
Hi.
There you go. Please smile. There you go.
There we go.
Good boy.
Awesome job, buddy.
It's Henry. Oh, look at that. Oh, cute.
You see the clock talking? He has no clue.
He's like... That's all we're out. So long, Storyland. Did you have a good time, buddy? Yeah? You got your license? You got a ride on a ride? Nice! We went to Washington, Storyland, and now we're at the hotel. This might be the end of the video. Maybe not. We're going to dinner tonight. So, Might show that. Maybe not. Just trying to chill right now. But yeah, we'll see how this goes. Probably gonna show you some dinner, I think. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and click the little alarm so whenever you get notification, we get new ones. See you later. Bye.